Hey there, garden lovers. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to tell you something that might just change the way you think about gardening forever. Are you ready for a little gardening revolution? Stick around because I'm going to give you 5 eye-opening reasons why you should stop using fertilizers in your garden. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. Here's a little secret. What if I told you that fertilizers might be doing more harm than good? Shocking, right? Let's dive into reason number 1. Fertilizers can harm your soil. You might think you're feeding your plants, but synthetic fertilizers can actually damage the natural structure of your soil over time. They strip away essential nutrients and disrupt the balance of microorganisms that keep your soil healthy and vibrant. Healthy soil is like a community, full of life and activity. When we dump chemicals into it, we're disturbing that delicate balance. Number 2, fertilizers can pollute our water. When it rains, those chemicals don't just stay in your garden. They can run off into streams, rivers, and lakes, causing serious pollution problems. This runoff can lead to something called eutrophication, which is a fancy word for too many nutrients in the water. It causes algae blooms that suck up oxygen and kill fish and other aquatic life. Not so great, right? Imagine your beautiful garden contributing to that. Number 3, there are better, natural alternatives. Instead of reaching for a bag of fertilizer, why not try composting? Compost is packed with nutrients and it's super easy to make from kitchen scraps and garden waste. Plus, it's free! Your plants will love it and so will your wallet. And guess what? It's not just about nutrients. Compost improves soil structure and water retention too. Number 4, protect your plants from fertilizer burn. Have you ever seen plants with yellow or brown leaves? That can be a sign of fertilizer burn, which happens when plants get too much of a good thing. Just like us, plants can suffer if they're overfed. Natural methods like compost or mulch release nutrients slowly, so your plants get just the right amount. It's like a balanced diet for your garden. Number 5, encourage a healthier ecosystem. Gardens are ecosystems full of different plants, insects, and animals, all working together. When we use fertilizers, we can disrupt these relationships. By gardening naturally, we support pollinators like bees and butterflies, and we create a more balanced, sustainable environment. Your garden becomes a haven for life, buzzing with activity. So, there you have it, 5 solid reasons to stop using fertilizers. Healthier soil, cleaner water, natural alternatives, no more fertilizer burn, and a thriving ecosystem. It's a win-win for you and your garden. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more gardening tips. Points to the subscribe button on screen. Leave a comment below if you've got any questions or if you've ditched fertilizers and seen great results. Happy gardening, everyone!